Hey, good morning friends, and welcome to another episode of Team Jesus Outdoors. Hey, we got a great episode for you today. It's that time of year that Detroit River bite's winding down. Not that it was ever really great this year, but that Detroit River bite's kind of winding down. So we have moved our efforts to Lake Erie. We're going to pull some bandits, we're going to pull some flicker shads. Hey, and we're gonna try pulling some spoon harnesses today. Hey, stay with us, this is gonna be a good one. Hey friends, some of you will remember that back in January I did an unboxing of the Cabela's Angler Series boards, inline planer boards. Hey, and at the time I hadn't had an opportunity to have them in the water yet, but since then I've had an opportunity to use these boards. Today we use these boards exclusively, and I'm comfortable at this point giving you guys a review, a good, honest, on-the-water review of those Cabela's inline planer boards. Flicker shads are so shallow. That's walleye. A little bit better fish.
Another one out there. Another what? That one down too.
Yeah, there's another flag down. That board's staying nicely back. See that, Mike?
What? Staying back?
That board's staying back real nice.
Oh, because of having a fish on there.
Yeah, the weight of the fish. That might be a drum.
No.
If anyone's just got a free hand to hold a rod, I gotta flip it.
That's all right. Definitely have a fish on there. It looked like it had partly pulled a flag.
Oh yeah,
If it's heavy, it's a drum.
that's heavy. That's too heavy for a rod.
Well, let's
pull him back.
What does that mean? It's a drum. Some big heavy drum. And that was on a band. 60 feet back. Oh, it's walleye. Nice walleye. Oh my God.
It's a drum, ain't it?
Yes, it's a drum.
Well, if you want your bandit, you're gonna have to net it.
Oh, I suppose. I saw the top of it, I guess. Oh! See what he tastes like? That's a big one.
What we've got here is a first-class drum hole. with a fish on, they stay back far enough that it's not a problem. I believe so. Bandit or
no,
the flicker shad?
Flicker shad.
All right. First fish on the flicker shad. Oh yeah, that's pulling back nice.
Huh?
That's pulling back nicely. Yeah, I'll get it.
You can't do it all.
Probably not from the other side of the boat.
Another reason to catch Mark's boat is that it'd be a lot sturdier.
Well, that's fish for sure. That wasn't out very far.
That was only back about 20, right? 25?
Yeah, that's about right.
That fell off right as we got
higher. That one was up right now.
We found a school of youngsters.
I think catching out of the garage escaped the other day. That one had a crisis on my hands.
Yeah. You know their cat's going to be eaten by a coyote. I get really worried about
that. That's not a crisis.
I want to get rid of the thing. I can't believe it.
Not getting back to a toilet in time, that's a crisis.
You would need us to turn around and head in?
Losing your cat to a coyote, that's just nature of its madness. You got some weight there, you may have a fish. I don't see a mast, but it looks like that's a full-size plane. Yeah, these are on full-size planer boards. So his lines are clipped to that planer line. Yeah.
Yeah. That makes sense. Not playing too hard, but it's something.
Well, it's walleye don't fight too hard. That's a walleye. Yeah, that's what we want. Oh shoot! Worst net job of 2021 right there.
You redeemed yourself quickly though. I was a little worried when it bounced outside of the net.
Yeah,
You had a pretty bad net job on my fish last time around. Yeah, Taylor. All right.
Yeah, you got a fish.
Well, it doesn't feel bad because it's not very big.
That's a little one.
Is it walleye?
Yeah, little bitty walleye.
Yeah, that's been dragging back there for an hour.
There's a fish there, let's wait. Oh, this is a drum. Yeah. I've seen it twice. Oh, it's a walleye.
It's a big walleye.
It's a nice walleye. Nice grab.
Oh, wow.
Finally, not a bad one.
That was a bandit or a husky jerk?
That was a bandit.
And you're only 25 back?
Yep.
You caught that fish between 7 and 8 feet down.
Okay.
There's one. Oh.
So hey friends, my conclusion about the Cabela's advanced angler boards is really pretty simple. These are not bad boards. In fact, they're really not bad boards for the money. At the same time, these are definitely not offshore boards either. I don't think they're really apples to apples with offshore boards. So don't think that you're getting an offshore quality board for half the price. Are you getting a board that's perfectly usable? Absolutely. Are you getting a board that's very, very functional? Absolutely. There are some things that I really like about the boards. There are some things that I really do not care for about these boards. I will say the clips, once you get used to the clips do operate pretty quickly. So the boards are pretty quick to clip on and take off of your line. They do track pretty well. The tattle flag system actually does operate pretty well, and you do get a second set of springs if you want to adjust your spring for a lighter tension or a heavier tension. So I do like that part. I will say that the boards are a little bit on the flimsy side. In one full day of using these boards, we did break one of the release clips, although it could have been user error, but the clips just to me are a bit flimsy. I don't see how you would change the pads on the insides of these boards, unlike offshore boards where it's pretty simple to change the pads on your offshore releases. So as far as I'm concerned, I did not waste my money on these boards. These boards have made for me a handy set of backup boards for my offshore boards. but they are not offshore quality boards. So my intent is not to beat up on the Cabela's brand boards. My intent is just to give you my honest opinion so that if you decide to purchase these boards, you know what you're getting. Hey, one thing I want to note about these boards, some guys like to be able to release their boards when they're fighting in a fish or to change baits. I don't see how these boards are I don't see how these releases are adjustable. So without changing these releases, some guys are going to hate that about these boards. Hey, I hope this short review is helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching. Hey friends, thanks for watching another episode of Team Jesus Outdoors. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope some of this information was useful for you guys. Hey, we had a great time. We put some walleye in the box. We had a little bit of fun with a few sheephead. All in all, it was a good day. Friends, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe if you're not already. Make sure to leave us a comment in the comment box below. God bless, tight lines. We'll see you guys on the water. A lot of truth in that sign, boys. Whole lot of truth right there.